Hi guys, and welcome back to Making Games with Unity. So now, I'm planning to join the Brackeys Game Jam, and it's all about rewind, and I've been prototyping some game mechanic. I'm not sure if this is valid as a rewind mechanics, but this is what happened. So I'll click to play now. So remember the pickup stick that you play when you're still kid? Yeah, so it's kind of that thing. So when you click something here, it will go up. So it's using the rewind thing. So if you successfully pick everything, it will be level complete. And that's it. That's the main mechanics. So you just let the stick fall and then you're gonna pick them one by one. So in this angle, it's so hard to look at, right? But I put some mouse wheel so that you can rotate around it. So yeah, you can nitpick it, something like that. You can choose that and then everything, and then this level will get failed if there's a significant amount of movement. For example, I'm going to pick this screen. Okay, so that's not significant, but you will see on the next level. So hooray! Alright, this level 3. So I'm going to show you some example of failed. So maybe this one. Oh, maybe this one because he's in the below of the other sticks. So let's try this. Okay, still alive. Oh, see that one? Yeah. So the thing is, yeah, this game is not that hard, but sometimes it's get tricky when there's something like this. For example, see that orange and the blue is on top of him, and there's a violet. So when I click that orange stick, oh, failed, right? So yeah, that's the whole mechanic. So it's just reminding if you get failed or when you're picking one by one. One rewind. Oops. This one. Oops. This one. Oops. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm going to submit this or not. But I already registered, but I'm going to send it anyway. But I'm not hoping that it will get some awards, maybe a lot of thumbs down, maybe. But yeah, that's how it is. So yeah, when you fail, it will just go up again, and then it will fall. So right now I'm just going to make this looks more presentable, and then I'm going to submit it to Brackeys, but not today, maybe tomorrow. I will put more things on it, but basically this is the game that I'm going to submit. So yeah, that's for my update for today, guys. So yeah, I hope that you find it interesting. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Goodbye guys.